There's this global movement creating awareness about the common issues that men tend to ignore. Allie Lynch is here to explain what doctors want us fellas to know about the connection between mental and physical health.
Well, Neil, good morning. So on average, men live 5 years less than women, and more than 12% of men over 18 are in fair or poor health. So men are also 24% less likely than women to have gone to a doctor within the past year. So here's what men need to know about staying healthy. Sharing the realities of our mental health can make any of us feel vulnerable or uncomfortable, and this can be especially true for guys. Stigma surrounding mental health simply means suicide prevention needs to be on your radar for the men in your life. Now let's talk about heart disease, because this is the leading cause of death among men in the U.S. The American Heart Association says tame your stress, watch your weight, and do not ignore snoring. And when it comes to prostate cancer, about 8 men will be diagnosed during their lifetime. Screening should begin at 40 years old for men with a high risk and 50 for those with average risk. I spoke with Dr. Paul Knoll, a urologist with Ascension St. Thomas. He emphasizes the benefit of having a primary care physician, and building a rapport is a great way to boost men's health.
When you're seeking advice, if they're seeking advice or seeking treatment, just be wary of who you're going to. Make sure you're going to somebody who is board certified. Make sure you're doing your due diligence on who is actually treating these things, these potential medical issues, and just have an open mind. And it's easy for me to say, but have an open mind in the fact that there's a lot of people with these exact same issues, and it's one of those things that this is what we discuss on a daily basis and treat on a daily basis. And there's people out there that can really help you.
So now when it comes to testicular cancer, the average age of diagnosis for this is 33 years old. This is largely a disease of young age men. So the overall message here this morning for men, just make sure you're going to the doctor, especially if you aren't feeling well, and then just your yearly physical checkup.